Hey everybody, I'm going to take you through the process of starting a story with Boomwriter. First thing we need to do is log in. So click on login and then schools, teachers, and educators. And that should take you to a dashboard where you will see manage your books, start new books, or new quick start book. These are the buttons that are going to help you. If you click on manage new books, you can see that there's a left-hand menu that's going to help you with all of the books that you've already created. And there's a button that you can push that says new books, so let's go ahead and do that. And let's just choose the first one, the Thanksgiving Pageant Takeover. When you click on it, it shows you the story start that's there ready for you to use. And so you can read it, and if you like it, you click on New Book. And then this is a setup page. One thing that's great about Boomwriter is it's going to take you through the setup using these right-hand margin notes that will help you with everything. So be sure to read those. This is the title of the story. You can choose if you want it to be a group book or an open book. We're going to do group book for this assignment. The working title, let's change it to something like the first, first period Thanksgiving Pageant Takeover. That way you can set it up for the different classes that you have. Max words per chapter, 500 is a good one for this assignment. When we add authors, we're going to add the authors that we previously had added. So I'm going to go ahead and click on all these guys. You have to have at least 5 students to be able to vote and edit. So we're going to add these 5 guys. Competitions is how many chapters you have. So right now we have a book that has the story start plus 2 chapters, so 3 chapters total. And that's the minimum, that's good for this project. Writing days is 5. Let's go ahead and set that one to 1. Voting days equals 1. That just means that the students are going to have 1 day to write it, and the voting days, they're going to have 1 day to vote on it. Since for this project you are the student, I think that 1 day is good, or you can set it to more than that if you need. Guidance notes, this can always be changed, but for right now we're just going to leave it the way that it is. Okay, so click on Save and Start. And it'll take you to this control panel for the book. Here you have like a progress bar, when the writing ends, which you can always change and update. Here's all the authors. Next, when you go and you sign in as each student and then you create writing for each student, you can always come back to this control panel, and right here underneath where the student's name is, it'll say submitted, waiting for you to grade, and you'll see that when you sign into the students and then come back to this. So you can always remove students here. This will show, 1, 2, 3, how many submissions they've made, and then you can always end the writing now if you want the competition to end. You can edit the settings of the book, which will take you back to the previous page, and you can always read the story as you get the chapters done. So be sure to use this page in the process of publishing your book, and when you have finished publishing your book, you be sure to add it to Miss Shower's Writing Wiki at missshowerswritingwiki.com. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.